In last lecture, we had done the question number 1 to 6 from the exercise 7.11. Today we start with the question number 7, exercise 7.9, sorry 7.11, question number 9, sorry question number 7. Integration of x 0 to 1, x into 1 minus x raised to dx. ઇનડિફાઇનાઇટ ઇન્ટિગ્રેશન ની રીતે થાય 1 minus x ને ts જેમ કરીને ડિફાઇનાઇટ ઇન્ટિગ્રેશન માં આપણે આ ફોર્મ્યુલા યુઝ કરશું 0 to a f of x dx is equals to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Property આપણે કરી હતી. Okay, so if you use this property, then it is equals to 0 to 1. At the place of x you have to write a minus x. Here your a is 1, so 1 minus x. At the place of x 1 minus x, so 1 minus x, so 0 to 1, 1 minus x, 1 minus minus 1 cancel, so it will be x raised to n. So 0 to 1, 1 into x raised to n is x raised to n, x into x raised to n is x raised to n plus 1. Now you can integrate x raised to n, integration is n plus 1 upon n plus 1, and n plus 1 is n plus 2 upon n plus 2. Limit is 0 to 1. When you substitute 1, so that is 1 upon n plus 1 minus 1 upon n plus 2. When you substitute 0, 0 minus 0. So that will be n plus 2 minus n minus 1 upon n plus 1 into n plus 2. n and cancel. So answer is 1 upon n plus 1 into n plus 2. Clear? Next question. Question number 8. 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus 10x dx. 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus 10x. Okay, that is your I. Again we will use same property which we have used here, that is log of 1 plus 10. At the place of x I can write pi by 4 minus x, so that is equals to 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus 10 pi by 4 minus x is 10a minus b formula, 10 pi by 4 minus 10x, 1 plus 10 pi by 4 into 10x dx. So 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus 1 minus 10x upon 1 plus 10x, because 10 pi by 4 is 1. So 0 to pi by 4 log of, if you take LCM, that is 1 plus 10x plus 1 minus 10x upon 10x. 10x cancel. So that is equals to 0 to pi by 4 log 2 upon 10x. You know that in the logarithm, if it is division, then you can write so it is 1 plus 10x. So that is log 2 minus log 1 plus 10x dx. That is equation number 2. Now if you add equation 1 and 2, so I plus I is 2i, limit is same, means you can add both the terms. So 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus 10x plus log 2 minus log 1 plus 10x dx. That is cancel. Log 2 constant, under 1 1 set, 1 no integration x 0 to pi by 4. So 2i is equals to log 2 pi by 4 minus 0. So I is equals to pi by 8. I is equals to pi by 8 log 2. That is your answer. Next, question number 9 is in homework. It is similar as question number 7. Now question number 10. Question number 10. 0 to pi by 2. 2 log sin x minus log sin 2x dx. So we can write 0 to pi by 2, 2 log sin x, that is log sin x whole square. 2 છે અહીંયા પાવરમાં આવ્યો છે, પાવરમાં તો લોગની આગળ આવે, લોગની આગળ પાવરમાં છે, minus log sin 2x means 2 sin x cos x. So 0 to pi by 2. Log minus log means we have to divide. So that is log of sin square x upon 2 sin x cos x. Sin cancel. So 0 to pi by 2. It is log of 10x by 2. We can write 0 to pi by 2 log 10x minus log 2 dx. Means बिना इंटीग्रेशन अलग लगा दे दो. So that is 0 to pi by 2 log 10x dx minus 0 to pi by 2 log 2 dx. Question number 1. That is your I. આનો integration આપણે અલગથી find કરીએ. That is I1. Zero to pi by 2 log 10x dx. Okay, so that is equals to 0 to pi by 2 log pi by 2 minus x dx. F of a minus x वाली property, log of 10 in the place of x we can write a minus x, that is pi by 2 minus x. So 0 to pi by 2 log cot x dx. Okay, so 0 to pi by 2 cot x means we can write 1 upon 10x. Log ની અંદર division means log 1 minus log 10x. Log 1 is 0, so that is minus bar log 10x dx. Log 10x dx is same as I1, so you get I1 is equals to minus I1. So 2I1 is equals to 0, so I1 is 0. Means in this equation value of this term is 0. So now your question is, so I is equals to 0 minus log 2 0 to pi by 2 1 dx minus log 2 integration of 1 is x, limit is 0 to pi by 2. So I is equals to minus log 2 pi by 2. That is your answer. Clear? Next question. Question number 11. Question number 11. Minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 sin square x dx. Now एक property આપણે એવી કરી હતી કે minus a to plus f of x dx હોય. Then it is 0 or 2 0 to f of x dx depending on the f of x is either odd function or f of x is even function. Okay, so here f of x is even function sin square x, so we can write 2 into 0 to pi by 2 sin square x dx. So 2 into sin square x means 1 minus cos 2x by 2 dx. Okay, 2 into cancel, integration of 1 is x, integration of cos 2x is sin 2x by 2, limit is 0 to pi by 2. So answer is pi by 2 minus sin 2 pi by 2, that is sin pi by 2 minus 0 minus 0. Sin pi is also 0. So answer is pi by 2. Next question. Question number 12. Number 12. 0 to pi x upon 1 plus sin x dx. આ ક્વેશ્ચન થોડોક ડિફરન્ટ ટાઈપનો છે. જ્યારે ન્યુમરેટર માં કે મારી રીતે x દેખાય ને ત્યારે પહેલા a x વાળી આપણે પ્રોપર્ટી યુઝ કરી. So I is equals to 0 to pi. In the place of x I can write pi minus x. So 0 to pi. Pi minus x upon 1 plus sin pi minus. Pi minus means second quadrant. In second quadrant sign is positive. So that is sin x dx. અહીંથી આપણે આને સ્પ્લિટ કરીએ. So 0 to pi. Pi upon 1 plus sin x dx minus 0 to pi x upon 1 plus sin x dx. Now that is your question. Means I can write then I. So I is equals to here pi is constant 0 to pi 1 upon 1 plus sin x dx minus I. Minus આ સાઈડ આવે તો 2i. આનો ઇન્ટિગ્રેશન આપણે જનરલી કેમ કરીએ? ઓકે, કોન્જુગેટ થી મલ્ટીપ્લાય then divide. So 1 minus sin x multiply 1 minus sin x થી divide. So 2i is equal to 0 to pi into 0 to pi. It is 1 minus sin x upon 1 plus sin x into 1 minus sin x. 1 minus sin square x. 1 minus sin square x is cos square x dx. So 2i is equals to pi into 0 to pi 1 upon cos square x sec square x sin x upon cos square x. Then sin x upon we can write cos x into cos x. So sin upon cos x is 10x and 1 upon cos x is sec x. So 2y is equals to pi into integration of sec square is 10x. 10x no differentiation sec square x. So sec square x no integration 10x. 10x into sec x no integration sec x. Limit is 0 to pi. So that is equals to pi into 10 pi minus sec pi minus 10 0 minus sec 0. So pi into 10 pi is 0, sec pi is minus 1. 10 0 is 0 and sec 0 is 1. So that is minus minus plus minus minus plus 2 pi. 2pi is equals to 2 pi. So I is equals to pi. That is your answer. I is equal to pi. 13th, it is an odd function. So you can directly write this answer as the 0. Okay. Next, question number 14. 13 માં પ્રોપર્ટી યુઝ કરવાની પછી આન્સર લખવાનો. 13 is the homework. 14. Zero to pi. Sorry, 0 to 2 pi. Cos raised to 5x dx. હવે આપણે જોઈને પહેલા એમ આવે કે આપણે cos raised to 5x ને હું cos raised to 4x into cos x લખી નાખું. cos raised to cos square x no square means 1 minus sin square x square cos x. sin x ને t assume કરી લ્યો. cos x dx dt. sin x ને t assume કરશો શું થશે? તો કે લિમિટ થઈ જશે 0 to 0. લિમિટ થઈ ગઈ 0 to 0. આવું શું કામ થાય? એનો ગ્રાફ છે ને આ રીતે કંઈક હોય. ઉપર નીચે બે સરખું જતો હોય ને. પણ અહીંયા જેટલું હોય ઉપરની સાઈડ એટલું જ નીચેની સાઈડ હોય. તો આન્સર ઓવરઓલ 0 થઈ જાય. પણ જ્યારે આપણે એરિયા કે કઈ રીતનું કાઉન્ટ કરવાનું હોય તો આન્સર 0 નો થાય. તો આ ટાઈપના ક્વેશ્ચનમાં શું કરવાનું? તો કે આપણે એક આવી પ્રોપર્ટી કરી દીધી 0 to 2a f of x dx is equals to 2 into 0 to a f of x dx if f of 2a minus x is equals to f of x. અને 2a એટલે શું છે કે 2π f of 2π minus x is equals to cos raised to 5 2π minus x x ની જગ્યાએ 2π minus fourth quadrant in fourth quadrant cos is positive so this is equal to cos raised to 5x is f of x. So using this property we can write I is equals to 2 into 0 to pi cos raised to 5x. બરાબર એમાં જ બીજી પ્રોપર્ટી એવી હતી if f of 2a minus x is equals to minus f of x then answer is 0 and answer is 0. So now 2a is your pi minus x so cos raised to 5 pi minus x that is minus cos raised to 5x pi minus second quadrant the second quadrant 0 so that is equal to 0. Reason 0 to 2a f of x dx is equals to 0 if f of 2a minus x is equals to minus આન્સર બી માં 0 જ આવે પણ આ રીતે કરો તો વધારે સારું. નેક્સ્ટ 13 question number 13 0 to pi by 2 sin x minus cos x ઓ આ તો થઈ જશે a minus x ની પ્રોપર્ટી યુઝ કરજો ઇઝીલી થઈ જશે 15 હોમવર્ક 13 તો પેલા થઈ ગયું 15 હોમવર્ક માં 16 પેલા દે દીધો 7 સોરી 16 બાકી છે પછી કરાવીશ 17 18 બે હોમવર્ક માં છે ઓકે આજે અહીં સુધી કરો નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચર માં we will do question number 16 and question number 19 બાકી બધા હોમવર્ક માં બી ક્વેશ્ચન બાકી રહેશે 16 19 અને એની સાથે અમારે એક એક્ઝામ્પલ કરાવવાનું છે એક્ઝામ્પલ 36 બરાબર આ ત્રણ ક્વેશ્ચનો નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચર માં કરાવીશ ક્લિયર